In episode 5, Removing the Interior, part 1 will include removal of the seats, the seat belts, and the emergency brake. Hopefully this will go smoothly, but I'm not optimistic. A lot of parts haven't been touched in years, and we all know what that means. So come along on the ride and let's see what happens. Okay, so I've watched a couple of videos of some people removing the seats, but this one person said they slid all the way forward so you could see the whole track, but I don't think so. At least not for this one. I see some, looks like 10mm bolts underneath holding the track down, so we'll see what happens there. And of course I can't get to them with a ratchet, so we're gonna have to use a wrench. Well, I guess I can take the cushion out. Okay, this is not working. Not working at all. Okay. There's one. There's two. Okay, got those out. Hoping that these seats will just unhook after getting these 4 10mm bolts out. Thank God they're not so tight or rusted that I can't get them out with my fingers. Well, something's holding it up here. Now it turns out this tilt lever now is loose and I was able to get it out. So there we go. Interesting. This is in bad shape. Okay, well, it is what it is. Let's see if I can get this out. Looks like about a 14. No, it's not a 14, it's a 13. I don't know my sizes that well with the Porsche. Okay. And a little bushing there. Huh. Well, I'll admit I had to grind it out. I don't know. I looked up to see there's some type of clip that held it in, but I couldn't see anything. It was all rusted. And here's what I've got left, and this is really thin here anyway. I'm gonna have to figure out how to build this up if I even use this again. Again, I'm not sure which way I'm gonna go on this car. I just gotta get it torn apart first and see what I'm working with. So this seat moved way more forward than the other one. And this is already loose. Okay, might as well take these seatbelt bolts out. They look like about a 17. Oh yeah. Oh, that one's not too bad. Yeah, these I'm gonna have to spray them. Find something with a little more leverage. Okay, well, hopefully I don't have too much leverage here. Don't wanna. Oh, that's pretty good. You want to break off the bolt. Okay. Lots of rust. Let's go to the other side. Now, in order to get to this seat belt bolt, I need to remove this plate here, which probably involves going back here somewhere, and I want to take this out also. So we'll see how that works out. Okay, let's get this one out first. Okay, so we got looks like a spring washer in the buckle itself, and then a fairly thick, maybe 3/8 inch thick washer. Yeah, that's not even. Let's see what we got going here. Oh yeah, one screw. You know, is this factory? There's some kind of add-on. Well, it doesn't look much like much. Oh, yeah, this. Oh yeah, look at that. If you look down there, there's more. I don't know if these are, they look like repairs. It looks like somebody cut it open to feed stuff through it and then just kind of tacked it back. Wow. So I don't think you can see that, but I'm just getting the engine cover release. I just took it out. It just unscrews. If you didn't already know, I'm doing this so I have a record of what I've done, because I'm new to Porsche 914s, and I want to make sure I know how to put it back together if it comes to that point. Okay, what do we got going here? Is it stuck? Oh, there we go. Okay, well, we'll remove this. Okay, this Phillips down here is not going to come out very easily. Let's see, should I chisel it? Okay, you probably can't see this, but it's nothing big. It's just chiseling it out. Okay, there's the other one. I'm probably going to have to chisel that one too. So real quick, here's the piece I chiseled out. It was stuck there and there. There's a flange in there, and emergency brake cable where it splits and goes, or not splits, but attaches to each wheel, is what I chiseled out. Just a couple of sheet metal screws. Now I'll get that last seat belt buckle out. Yeah, this one's gonna be toughy all the way to the end. Oh yeah, well, I mean, oh shoot, huh? Okay, that makes sense, Loctite, or whatever they use to keep the bolts tight. There's the washer. There's the thick washer. This is actually a kind of a bushing. Okay, so we got a spacer, a washer, a bushing, another bushing, and the bolt. Next up in part 2 is the removal of the rest of the interior, including the A pillar, the B pillar or the Targa Band, and removing the brightwork on the Targa Band. Thanks for watching.